This partwork has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up partworks that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. Thank you once more to Fanhome for providing me with this kit. I hope you enjoy the build.
Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 64 of Building Robocop. Legendary cyborg indeed. This issue we're continuing with a chest plate and fitting the internal parts to that. After looking at the TV series for Robocop. Second life for the original script for Robocop 2. I didn't realise they didn't use the original script from Robocop 2. There we go. Ryan Pictures still owned the rights to it, the first draft. So they thought they'd make the Robocop 2 that never was. Cool. Several iconic shots from the Robocop saga are revisited. Robocop cyborg coming out of the patrol car. They've already got the shots. Why bother shooting it again? Reuse that. Yeah. Getting his weapon out. In the TV series, Delta City has finally been built. Oh, that's cool. I've watched the series, but I've got no memory of it at all. I have to go back and rewatch it. The chest part 3, yes. This is the inner chest plate, which forms the speaker compartment. Provides a place for the speaker's printed circuit board. Yeah, so this basically just covers over the entire part of the speaker. Holds that in place, and there are 4 screws to hold that together. Ready for, I believe, next time we get the circuit board to attach to that. So yeah, there we go. Working up on the chest from the inside. As with most of these part works, the solid coloured pieces are the pieces that we've already got. So we've already got the entire right arm, legs and waist going up here. We've got the head as well, but I can't quite see if that's coloured in. It should be. But we're building up the chest from the front, obviously backwards. So yeah, doing that in a moment. Bionic Me, travelling exhibition on bionics. Bionics are interesting to me. Augmented physiology. Boy competes against a Paralympic athlete in the Bionic Me exhibition. Yeah. The medical stuff. Natural language processing. Human-machine conversations. Yes, a form of AI virtual assistant answers the questions we ask as if talking to a real person. Yes, large language models with natural language processing are the way forwards. Very interesting stuff. I do like that. There we go. Chatbots. Yeah, when you're not sure if you're talking to a real person or not. 2018, Duplex add-on for its digital assistant. Make reservations over the phone. I remember that when that came out. Yeah. Very strange. Machine that reads between the lines. Oh, how? There we go. Right, let's clear this out of the way. Let's get this chest piece attached. So, from last time, we've got this with the speaker attached to it. This time, we've got the internal piece, which has got obviously room for the speaker, and 4 attachment points with some more screws, more EP screws. So that's basically going to cover over there. That speaker wire I will just have coming out. Does it tell me where to have the speaker wire coming out? Let me just double check my instructions. It's got it sort of coming out to the right hand side, but not very long. So we'll have that coming out over there. Sort of doubles it back and comes out over here. But I'm actually probably going to go down through the middle because I don't think it's going to make too much difference. That gives me enough to get around there should I need to. It's not quite lined up. Need these blocks to sit on top of those posts. Like that. And that's pretty central in the top there as well. I think that's right. That like that. Let me use up the last one from there. And get some more out of the other pack. To continue attaching this onto that. In there, 3 more of those. Probably going to leave a couple in there. Yep. Nice just to have one packet of extra screws rather than lots of them. That one can go in there. Couple in the top. Lots more attachment points up on here. So I think next time we're adding the circuit board to this. Probably plugging this into it. If I need to get this apart again, I can do. If I need any longer cabling on that, but that's going to be equally as long as it's shown in the picture, so it should be okay, I would have thought. All of these tightened up. And we know exactly where we are, don't we? Should be that. There we go. So that's nice and secure on there. Holding the speaker in the right place over there, which will be behind the breastplate armor anyway, so you won't see the grill. Hopefully it will still be audible. We've got that on there. It's not quite in the middle, but it's also got a strange bit over this side, but isn't over this side, so I don't know. We'll figure it out soon. But for now, that's another issue completed. So thank you very much for joining me on this. I shall see you for the next part very, very soon. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. Bye-bye for now.